Hello student, good morning. Welcome to the online class from CBSE Children Academy with Bindu Singh. Today we are going to learn what comes after. Okay, what comes after means बाद का लेटर आपको लिखना है. Okay, students, look at this is a capital letter A. Okay, A after this letter. Tell me. A after this letter B. Okay, A after this letter B. So will we write the capital letter B. Okay, what comes after A after B. Okay, so will we write the capital letter B. Okay, A after this letter B. Okay, A after this letter B. Okay, this letter C. This letter C. C after this letter. Tell me students, C after this letter. A B C. C after this letter D. Correct, you right. C after this letter D. Okay, C after this letter D. So will be write the capital letter D. Okay, C after this letter D. Okay, so will be write the capital letter D. A this letter D. Okay, A after this letter B. C after this letter D. A B C D. Okay, which letter? Tell me. Yes, E. E after this letter. E के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? F. E for elephant, F for fish. E after this letter F. F for fish. E after this letter F. F for fish. F for fish. E after this letter F. F for fish. Okay, so will we write the capital letter F. F for fish. E after this letter F. F for fish. Okay, A B C D E F. E F. E after this letter F. Okay, A after this letter V. C after this letter D. E after this letter F. Okay, now next this letter G. G for girl. G for gun. G for goat. Okay, G for G after this letter. Tell me. Yes, H. G after this letter H. H for hen. H for hen. G after this letter H. So will we write the capital letter H. H for hen. H for hen. G after this letter H. H for hen. Okay, draw a standing line. Okay, this is a standing line. Okay, this is a standing line. Okay, now sleeping line. Okay, after that sleeping line. This is a capital letter H. Okay, G after this letter H. G after this letter H. H for hen. H for hat. H for house. Okay, next G, H. This letter I. I for ice cream. Your favorite ice cream. Lovely, lovely, very cool ice cream. Wow. Favorite? Yes. I for ice cream. I for ink pot. I for ice cream. Okay. I for ice cream. I after. I की बात कौन सा लेटर आएगा? J. J for jug. J for joker. Okay. I after this letter J. J for jug. Okay. So we'll be write the capital letter J. Okay. I after this letter J. J for jug. J for jug. I J. Okay. A after this letter B. C after this letter D. E after this letter F. G after this letter H. I after this letter J. Okay. Next this letter K. This letter K. K after this letter L. L for lion. L for lotus. L for leaf. Okay. L for lion. K after this letter L. L for lion. Okay. K after this letter L. L for lion. L for lotus. L for leaf. Okay. L for lion. So we write the capital letter L. L for lion. Okay. I J K L. L for lion. Okay. Okay. K after this letter L. This letter M. M for mango. M for mango. M for mouse. M for milk. M for mat. Okay. M. What comes after M? M after letter N. You write M after this letter N. N for nose. N for nails. N for nut. Okay. M after this letter N. M after this letter N. M के बाद कौन सा लेटर आएगा? N. Okay. M after this letter N. So we'll be write the capital letter N. N for nose. N for nurse. N for knit. N for nut. Okay. So we'll be write the capital letter N. N for nose. I have one nose. I can smell my nose. Okay. So we'll write the capital letter N. N for nose. N for nose. Okay. K after this letter L. M after this letter N. Okay. This letter O. O for orange. O for orange. O for owl. O for octopus. Okay. O after this letter. Tell me students. O after this letter. P. You're right. O after this letter. P. Okay. So will be right. The capital letter P. O P. P for pen. P for pencil. P for peacock. Okay. P for peacock. The national bird of peacock. P for peacock. O after this letter P. Okay. O after this letter P. So will we write the capital letter P. P for pen. P for peacock. P for pencil. Okay. P for parrot. So will we write the capital letter P. Okay. Draw a standing line. After that backward C. Okay. This is a capital letter P. Very easy. Okay. O after this letter P. O P. Okay. This letter Q. This letter Q. Q for queen. Q for koel. Q for queen. Q for koel. Q for quail. Okay. So Q for queen. After this letter. Q after this letter. Yes. R. Q after this letter R. R is for rose. R is for rainbow. R is for red. Okay. So will we write the capital letter Q after this letter? Tell me. Yes, you're right. Q after this letter R. R for rose. R for rainbow. R for red. So will we write the capital letter R. Q after this letter. Q after this letter R. R for rose. Okay. Q after this letter R. R for rose. R for rose. Okay. Q R. This letter S. S for sun. This letter S. S for sun. Okay. S for sun. S for sunflower. S for sun. S for sunflower. Okay. S for sun. Okay. So this letter has S. What comes after S? T. S after this letter T. S after this letter T. Okay. T for tiger. T for telephone. Okay. S after this letter T. Okay. S after this letter T. So will we write the capital letter T. Okay. Draw a standing line. After that, this is a standing line. Okay. This after that sleeping line. Very easy. Okay. This is a standing line. After that sleeping line. Okay. This is a capital letter T. Okay. A. After this letter V. C. After this letter D. E. After this letter F. G. After this letter H. I. After this letter J. K. After this letter L. M. After this letter N. O. After this letter P. Q. After this letter R. S. After this letter T. Okay students, आज आपने क्या पढ़ा? What comes after means बाद का लेटर. ओके, इंग्लिश में हम बोलते हैं what comes after, हिंदी में होता है आपका रिक्त स्थान भरो, खाली स्थान भरो. ओके, एंड ऐसे मैथ्स में होता है what comes after. ओके, आपका पहले जो राइट किया हुआ रहेगा उसके बाद आपको जो राइट करना है वो होता है आपका व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर. उसके बाद का नंबर लिखना, उसके बाद का लेटर लिखना, उसके बाद का अक्षर लिखना. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर. ओके, डू योर होमवर्क इन योर English notebook. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.